following is an example of how a long division sum should be completed using the standardised language we teach to children in Parteen National School. So I have here a sum 473 divided by 11. It's long division because I'm dividing by 2 digits. Anything more than 1 digit would make it a long division sum. So always in Parteen we encourage the children to estimate. Just looking at this, 473 to its nearest 10 would be 470. And 11 to its nearest 10 would be 10. So as an estimate, I would say 10 will go into 470 47 times. So that's just an estimate. And the children should use this to kind of guide them as they go through the sum. My answer mightn't always be this, but it will certainly give me an indication as to whether I'm gone completely wrong or heading in the right direction. So now I'm going to complete the sum. Just a little thing on the side of the page, an area for rough work. If it's a sum that involves some of the tables, they wouldn't know quite well. There's no need for that. But if it's a more complex sum, then rough work is certainly handy. So I'm going to write out the sum, 473. I'll put a kind of a box around it like that. And out here I'll put my number 11. So again, the language is into and remainder. So 11 into 4 won't go, so I'll put a 0. I'm now going to look at the larger number, so 11 into 47. Now the children should know from their tables that 11 times 4 is 44. So back to the sum, I'd say 11 into 47 will go 4 times. I put my 4 here on top. Now I take away the 44 to get my remainder. 7 take 4, take away 4 is 3, and 4 take away 4 is 0, it's nothing. So 11 into 47 will go 4 times, remainder 3. I'm now left with another 3 out here in the units place, and that needs to become part of the sum. So we encourage the children to draw an arrow to physically bring it down. So my 3 comes down to here. 11 into 33, they should know from their tables. 11 into 33 will go 3 times. You know, some children have a tendency to leave the sum at this point, but it is very important that they show the remainder at the very end. So in this case, 11 goes into 33 3 times. So I'll take away my 33 and I have no remainder. So just to recap, the language is into, remainder, and always at the beginning we estimate. My answer here was 43, my estimate was 47, so I'm fairly happy with that answer, and always important to show at the end if there was a remainder or not.